Most time when people see me in this vehicle, they scream. Welcome to the Hello Kitty Mustang. I've always had a passion for Mustangs. Not all cars, but Mustangs. Hey, I'm Kia, and I'm the owner of the Hello Kitty Mustang. I decided to build this Hello Kitty Mustang to be supermom for my daughters. So when I drop them off at school, you know, it'll make them more popular.
Everybody be like, "Oh, that's Kiva's mama. A good car." Everybody just be talking about it every time I see him. They think it's like amazing and they think she's rich.
The top speed in my vehicle is 120. I've probably, with the 26-inch rims, hit maybe 85. I decided to go with Hello Kitty because I really thought the little character was cute. And she speaks from the heart. She doesn't have a mouth, and a lot of people don't really know that. You see Righteous Kitty on there. I bedazzled my tags. I have heart exhausts on the back. I originally took the grill out and painted the grill, bedazzled the tag, front tag, and painted the bottom grill myself. Trunk is also customized. There's actually not a base box in here. It's where my spare would go, and my amp is behind the hearts. I never got anyone to help me with my vehicle because I wanted it to be something that I created. Now I'll show you the inside. I bedazzled my doors, and I put a racing steering wheel. I have the puffy on here now, but I have a racing steering wheel that's pink on here. I wanted to do something a little different, so I put Righteous to represent my car club name. So I put Righteous right there with the heart that shows love. I have 22-inch TV on the dash. I just started a car club and I want to serve a purpose with people in the city. I would get my guys and we would go feed the homeless, we would clothe them, we would do blood drives to save lives, we would try to do positive things, and we still do that to this day.
I'm super impressed, you know what I'm saying, like just how she was able to just put everything together. Like she's truly the queen of the car club.
I'm known for this vehicle. When I drive through downtown, people scream, they take pictures, they ask me multiple questions, they want to sit on the car, they want to rub the car, so it's really funny and it's fun as well. I've got negative comments about this car before, but I get more positive than negative, so it's okay.
I mean, to see somebody riding around with a Hello Kitty tricked out Mustang, you know what I'm saying, is by itself bold, but a Hello Kitty, that says a lot to me. That says I'm fierce, that says I'm bold, that says I'm here. You know, I love the Hello Kitty, you know what I mean? Like, it put a smile on my face. I've seen police officers pull her over just to take a picture. I love everything about the car.
I have rim lights, and once I turn the rim lights on, it glows the bottom of the vehicle. I go to multiple car shows a year. I usually win. I've been asked a lot, would I customize another car? And I probably would. It took me 8 years so far to customize this car, and I'm looking for probably about 5 more years till I'm complete.